Alright, just a quick video. I just got the new 240 watt cable, at least one of them, and I'm testing it right now. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, ground, 1, 2, 3, 4, ground. So this is a brand new cable. The only difference is that both of the sides are the same on this one, and this one has a different end on this side. I do have another one coming that's exactly like this one, so I'll test that later. But let me put this cable on here and you'll see that it doesn't work anymore. Alright, so here is the original printer cable. You can see I'm getting absolutely nothing, just one ground here, and it's dead, completely dead. Now I will not be installing this one. I want to take this, I want to get an extra one just to test it and make sure that that is correct. So far this cable is definitely dead, but the other one that's coming has the same type as this one, or the same angle I should say as this one. So I'm going to be using that one, even though it doesn't have the two screw sides here, but we can 3D, or I can 3D print something later to keep it down, and that's why I chose that one as well. And because I have to route it and everything, I'm just gonna wait for that cable to come in, and I'll have this one a spare for now, and then I will let you guys know how that turns out.